Let's switch over to news from Polbound, Tamil Nadu, where the face-off between the AIADMK and BJP over the Vetrivel Yatra continues. Hitting out to the BJP in its official mouthpiece, Namadhu Amma, the AIADMK said that Tamil peace and harmony and no one should divide people by conducting disruptive yatras. The AIADMK added that the state government will not allow anyone to milk votes with such yatras. The BJP, remember, last week it decided to go ahead with the month-long Vetrivel Yatra despite no permission from its ally, from the AIADMK government, in view of the coronavirus pandemic. Tamil Nadu BJP President Murugan and several other leaders were even detained where they tried to carry out their yatra. The AIADMK and BJP are at a crucial juncture ahead of the 2021 Assembly elections. For the AIADMK, the first state elections being fought by them without J. Lalita, with the BJP trying hard now to create some sort of dent, create some political footprint in Tamil Nadu. Akshay Nath joining us live from Chennai with more details on this. Akshay, more than the DMK and the Congress really lashing out to the BJP, it seems to be their own partner, the AIADMK, who's questioning them time and again over the Vel Yatra.
Well, Akshita, what we are seeing here is that the BJP was very, very confident that the AIADMK will give them permission for the Vel Yatra. In fact, when the first initial permission was sorted for, it was seen that D. Jayakumar, who is the Fisheries Minister and the spokesperson of the AIADMK, had said that the law and order situation will be considered and the permission will be given according to due notice. But what happened on the day prior to the Vel Yatra on November 5th was that it was seen that the BJP's request was cancelled by the AIADMK government, and it was cited that COVID-19 pandemic was the first main reason that was pointed out by the state government, and the fear of spread of the virus was cited as a reason. And then also law and order situation was also mentioned. But now as things have escalated, twice we've seen Murugan, the BJP leader, going and meeting Edappadi K. Palaniswamy to sort permission. But all three times we're being told that the permission was rejected on grounds of COVID-19. And now as the plan of the BJP to establish itself in the state of Tamil Nadu, especially through this Vel Yatra, is not happening. It seems like the BJP is very unhappy with the AIADMK, and it seems like both of them have been having a war of words. AIADMK is also not silent. They have even lashed out at the BJP through its mouthpiece, Namadhu Amma, stating that Vel Yatra will not be permitted because anything that would disrupt harmony and will cause divide between communities will not be accepted in the state of Tamil Nadu, is the wordings of Namadhu Amma and the AIADMK's mouthpiece.
And we'll have to see what effect this really has on the AIADMK BJP, whether there's going to be an alliance or not for the state elections. Akshay, thank you for joining us with all this detail.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.